how to stop your laptop from sleeping when closed. So, let's get started. If your laptop turns off or goes to sleep every time you close the lid, here's how you can stop that on Windows. Simply tap on the Start button and then search for Control Panel and then open it. At the very top right corner, tap on View By, tap on this drop down and select Large Icon. Now you have to click on Power option right over here, click onto it, and on the left side, simply click on Choose what closing lid does. Now click on Change Settings and now find the option that says When I close the lid. We're both on battery and plugged in. On the settings, change the settings to Do Nothing. After that, scroll down and then uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. After that, click on Save Changes and then simply close your control panel. Now, when you close your laptop lid, it will stay on instead of going to sleep. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.